Hello, welcome back to the another video, guys. So today we are discussing about files types. Basically, what is file types? So think as a 3D file, like an image file, just like you are using a JPG for a photo, but a PNG when you need to transparent background. Different 3D formations are built for different jobs, like a 3D printing, animation, or gaming. Here is a simple and beginner friendly background of what file actually do and when to import or export them. For the 3D printing formation, if you are getting into 3D printing, there are good to go formation. They only come about the shape of object. For example, there are three options. First is STL. What is STL? The graph of 3D printing. It's only saved the 3D shape as a bundle of connected threads. No color, no texture, just a raw shape. 3MF. You always use dot if you save. So now we are in 3DF, the modern upgrade to STL. Modern upgrade. It save the shape but also remember colors, materials and printers, setting it much smaller and smarter than an STL. .ply, often used for 3D scanner. It stores the shape and can also store color data for each point on the object. Okay, so we are using in three part in 3D printing: STL, .3mf, .ply. The animation, gaming and web formats. For using animation, gaming and web formation: OBJ, GLF, GLB. .usdz is the best option if you are working in that project. OBJ, a classic reliable formation, is usually comes with a second file called .mtl, which holds the color data. It doesn't support animation, but it great for moving static model before different 3D software. The JPG of 3D layers are built for the web model apps. The games because they are incredibly lightweight and load fast. .glb is just a GLTF zipped. USDZ by Pixar, A app, this is specify use for augmented reality on iPhones and iPad. If you want to see a 3D coach in your real living room, use your phone camera. You use D.USDZ. If you are working in engineer and design formation, TXF is good. This is actually a 2D and 3D formation used mainly in CAD, which stand of capture added design, computer aided design for place cutting, CNC routing and architecture design types. So we cover our all files today. So take a quick reference summary. Formation best for, does it have a cool texture? So first is .stl, standard 3D printing. Does it have cooler texture? No. .3mf, based use for advanced 3D printing. Does it have color and texture? Yes. OBJ shared starting for 3D model between software. Does it color and texture? Yes, with the .mtl file. F, so .gltf, .glb are same file but different use. Web, does web video game app. Does it have color? Yes, and animation. .usdz, Apple augmented reality. Yes, it has color and texture and animation as well. .dxf, it's a race cutting engineer tool. So what does import and export mean? Import means bringing, integrating into your kitchen. You download download your 3D model or Batman from internet as .stl. File the import into your software so you can use at the as like as you like. Exporting, picking up the finished material to send it out. If you make any model and save as .stl or .3ml. So thank you for guys watching this video. Hope you get some information and such more video. Make subscribe and hit the bell again. And don't forget to my attach with Discord server.